Hey you guys, thanks for tuning in to my tutorial today. I'm actually working with Nadula Hair. I have their 20, 22, and 24-inch straight Brazilian hair. My client is 100% natural, and today I'm going to actually create this twin double zigzag part ponytail on her today. Okay, in order for me to have some type of control on the parting and the actual ponytail, which will be the base of the ponytail, I am going to actually start with the back of her head. I'm going to make sure that this is the base of her ponytail. You want to make sure that the base of the ponytail is very sturdy and tight. So I'm going to go ahead and separate it into two different ponytails. I'm going to straighten it and I'm going to mold it. And this is actually going to hold together your complete look. Now throughout this entire look, I will be using my product, which is premium beeswax. I love this product. It's not really thick, it's not a wet product, it's really easy on the hair. It's good with molding. I recommend you guys go in the description box and purchase this product. By my client being 100% natural, I'm going to flat iron her hair, and then I'm going to go back and press the roots of her hair. That way it's going to give me a more sleek, more polished look. You just don't want to flat iron the client's hair. You want to actually make sure you get those roots. So if you have a client that's 100% natural, that never had any kind of relaxer or perm on her hair, it wouldn't be too much heat on her hair. You just want to make sure that you put a little bit of heat protector, but if not, just flat iron her hair and actually go back through it with the pressing comb. Now we're going to begin to create the zigzag part. Make sure you have a rat tail comb because that actually helps with parting and making sure you have the most straightest parts. I start from the back, and as I'm creating the zigzag part going forward through the front of her head, I am actually flat ironing and pressing her hair. because I want to make sure when I pull on her hair to create the two ponytails that the zigzag part doesn't stretch or it doesn't fall out of the center. So you just want to keep that in mind when you're doing the zigzag part, just to keep in mind to keep pressing it and keep stretching the hair, because once the hair stretches, sometimes it moves the placement of the zigzag part. Now this should be the fun part. This is the part where we're actually going to create the swoop and a little bit of baby hairs in the front. So after you have done pressing your client's hair out, you want to just use some premium beeswax along her edges and smooth her hair back into the ponytail base that we have created in the back. Look at that. No lumps, no bumps, no whiteness, no flakes. What I love about this product, the premium beeswax, it actually leaves your hair with a shine. It does not leave your hair wet with flakes or any type of residue left over. Make sure you guys go in the description box and purchase my product.
Wavy Boy Productions.
So we're now going to apply the same methods that we did for the other side on this side. So you want to make sure that your client hair and her edges is really straight. She doesn't have any should I say any curls or little naps. You just want to make sure that you press along those edges to make sure that her hair is straight as possible in order to achieve this look. So we're going to do the same steps. We're going to apply the beeswax, we're going to create the swoop and brush the hair back into the base of the ponytail. Once you begin braiding the ends of her hair, you don't want to roll it. You just want to just fold it just a little bit, not all the way. When you fold it halfway, you want to secure it with the rubber bands. And we're actually going to put some black neck strips along her hair. So you want to wrap those black neck strips on both ends of the ponytail. This method is going to allow you to extend your ponytail to make it a little bit longer than what it is. So today we're going to be putting the 20 on first. So the 20 is going to extend into a 24, and then we're going to apply the 22 and the 24. So with this look, I am using a bundle and a half for each ponytail. So we're going to start with the 20, the 22, and we're going to finish it with the 24. And my Cardi boys, y'all know I had to do this. Oh, she looks so pretty. Look at that hair. Ooh. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to my tutorial. I now have hair scarves that I would like for you guys to purchase if you're interested. I'm also adding lashes to my collection. We have the cat eye, which is what you're looking at now. And I also have the full and fluffy look. If you guys would like to purchase these items, please log on into my website, which is located in the description box, and also to purchase this hair. Thank you guys so much. I love you.